The energy market is changing fast, and energy providers are adapting accordingly. Starting in 2027, net metering will no longer be available, and feed-in charges are already a reality. This shift makes increasing your solar self-consumption more crucial than ever to keep energy bills low. With over 3.2 million PV installations in the Netherlands, there is an enormous amount of solar power available. However, most of it is generated during the day when consumption is low. As a result, only 30% of solar energy is used directly, while a staggering 70% is fed back into the grid, often at a financial loss. Studies show that even a small battery can significantly increase self-consumption and reduce energy costs. To meet this need, we have developed the NEXA 2000 plug-in battery. With a storage capacity starting at 2 kWh, this battery is the perfect first step towards maximizing the use of your self-generated solar power. Expansion is simple. Add NEXA expansion batteries to scale up to 8 kWh as your needs grow. Installation couldn't be easier. All you need is a standard power outlet and an internet connection. You can either set up a schedule with charging and discharging times, or enable smart operation by connecting a wireless smart meter for intelligent and automated energy management. NEXA is built for flexibility. It works with, but also without solar panels, integrating seamlessly with existing solar systems. And during a power outage, NEXA built-in off-grid function ensures your essential appliances keep running, so you're never left in the dark. With Growatt, you get a flexible, affordable, and reliable energy solution for today and tomorrow.